What's going on, guys? Just wanted to give everyone a quick update on how our spring is going. Considering it's March, we usually call that spring for us. It's not. Usually we should have started back up the last week of February, right out the gate. It's now the first full week of March. We're not working. There's snow on the ground. Rain. It's actually snowing right now also. It's a mess. Usually March is a really tough month for us just because we have, I don't know, all kinds of things to get done, like mulch, cleanups, trimmings to be ready for April mowing, and then we go to weekends. So March is always a struggle, and I can tell you right now, when we start back up next week, Monday, right out the gate, it's going to be tough. Just snow on the ground, freezing temperatures, everything's sticking, it's not going away. It's just, it's rough. It's been a rough winter. No winter work got done. It's just, this one has definitely been tough. So, it is what it is. You deal with it. You take the punches, keep going. But, so in this video, I have a couple clips from doing snow, some salting. You'll see it's all the residential stuff. I don't have any of the mounts for the two trucks when we do the parking lots and things like that. But guys, this video will just be a few clips of what was going on the last few weeks. Like I said, it's been a mess. Have not been able to work. We should have started work 2 weeks ago. So we're gonna be probably 7 days a week off the bat as soon as next Monday hits. But like I said, guys, just a few clips of the last few weeks. You know, we've been at a standstill pretty much. So you'll see the clips there, and thanks for watching, guys.
just tidying up some sidewalks and getting some parking lots ready for, you know, opening up overnight. So I got my buddy in the back there. He's gonna give me a hand. Hey Rye, say hi.
Hi.
And then we're going to pick up John. So we're gonna get some sidewalks done. Here, Rye. Here, Rye. Here. Don't say anything bad.
What's up, guys? Today? What's up, guys? Today? We're gonna... Hello, you guys. Today, me and my dad and my uncle are today working in the snow. Okay. And my uncle trying to play with me. Okay. Go back. Hey, you're gonna pay for that. Push it in the snow.
Go ahead, push it. No, lift it up a little bit. There you go, just like that, and push.
Okay.
No, not in the snow, on the sidewalk, buddy. Go ahead, push. Hurry up.